Hello guys, welcome to the DMS online school. If you are new to this channel guys, you are welcome. On this channel I teach mathematics, biology, science, and also revise past examination papers. So in today's video I am going to review to you topics with high probability of being in the 2022 GCE Biology Paper 2 exams. So the coming July examination, I've come up with a list. Guys, you have been asking, sir, give us a list, give us your prediction. So guys, this is my prediction of the topics that I've considered to be highly present in the 2022 GCE Biology Paper 2 exams. All right, so this has been done through an analysis that I carried out through the past papers that were done in 2017, 2018, then 2019, then 2020, then 2021. So I went through this past paper and looked at the questions and topics where these questions have come from, and I've realized that on this topic number 1 in biology, which is the cell structure and the organization, there haven't been really questions asking about the cell organization itself, like where we talk of the cell, we talk of the tissue, we talk of the organ, then we talk of the system, then the organisms. There haven't been a question asking you to do such kind of an arrangement. And also I saw also in paper 2 there haven't been a question on animal cell, really asking you to state the parts and then the function. And then I haven't seen a question also on the tissue and the organs, which is related to cell organization. And again, I haven't seen a question on the active transport as well as the diffusion. Guys, here I forgot to put the diffusion. So active transport and the diffusion here, guys. So I haven't seen a question appearing here. Also, when I moved also to nutrients, which is the second topic as well, under nutrients I didn't see a question coming on classes of nutrients. So these are then highly suspected also to be present, guys, in the paper. Also plants nutrients, guys. So plants nutrients, first here, classes of nutrients. You know, we have proteins, we have carbohydrates, we have fats, we have roughage, we have mineral salts, we have water. So these you have to study them and know their functions. All right, then you need to know deficiency of proteins in a person. What deficiency disease does it cause? Also in babies, for instance. Also you have to look at the plant nutrients such as maybe calcium, magnesium. Then you need to talk of calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus. These plant nutrients, what are their functions in plants, and if they are lacking, what disease disorders do you see in plants? Those signs, guys, you need to study here. Also you need to look at the dietary needs. Under dietary needs you need to look at the different diets that are suitable for different types of people, like the manual workers, sedentary workers, which are office workers, the children that are growing, pregnant women, the old people, the different type of diets that are supposed to be provided. Then you also have to look at the external and internal structure of a leaf, where you need to look at the function of the parts of the leaf also, and how they're adapted for the function in a leaf. Guys, you need to study there. Then on this topic, respiratory system, under respiratory system, I haven't seen a question on gaseous exchange in insects. So you need to study on gaseous exchange in insects, guys. Also on gaseous exchange in human. So under gaseous exchange in human, you have to zero in specifically on the alveoli, how gaseous exchange occurs in the alveoli, also in the lungs itself. All right, so also from this topic you need to go to this topic healthy. Under healthy you need to look at the HIV and the AIDS. So what is HIV and AIDS? You need to know these initials, how it is transmitted, how it is prevented. Then also you need to look at also immunity, guys, what immunity is, how immunity can be boosted, then how immunity can be initiated. All right, so also you need to look at the life cycle of a mosquito. So a mosquito how is it related to health? You need to understand that. And then the life cycle of a mosquito, or the cycles of a mosquito, you need to study those. All right, then you need to look at the transport in man as another topic. Under transport in man, you need to look at the blood groups, the different kind of blood groups. And then transfusion of blood, also here you need to know transfusion of blood, which blood group can be transfused to which blood group and which one cannot be transfused, which one is called the universal blood group or donor, something like that. And again, you need to study also here under blood disorders such as sickle cell and other blood disorders which are there. Then you need also to look at the lymphatic system, or the transport system also of the hormones and the like. Then also you have to look at the excretion. Under excretion, you need to look at the lung as an excretion organ. So you need to study the lung as an excretion organ. How does the lung help in the excretion process? Also you need to look at also the human skin. Also, how does it play a role in excretion? Because these have not appeared in the previous exams in the 2021, 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017. Then you need to move to homeostasis. Again, here under homeostasis, you need to look at this is homeostasis and osmoregulation. You need to look at the liver. The liver, how does it play the role of osmoregulation, maintaining the fluids and then the temperature of the body, substances in the body, how does it do that? The kidney and the liver as well, you need to study that. And then you move to the nervous system and sense organs. And under nervous system, you need to look at the brain itself. So the brain, how does it work as the what role does it have in the nervous system, the parts of the brain and their functions, and also the ear as part of the nervous system, how does it work? All right, so you need to move from here. Then you go and study the endocrine system, where you study hormones, how hormones are secreted, which parts of the body secretes hormone, and which type of hormones are secreted to what part of the body, and the function of hormones, and the deficiency disease caused by lacking when those hormones are lacking. All right, then you also need to look at the skeletal system and locomotion. Under skeletal system and locomotion, here specifically you need also to study the skeleton of an insect. All right, so you need to study also the skeleton of an insect, because these are highly expected to be in the exam. Then you look at the tropic and the taxic responses. So under tropic and taxic responses, you concentrate also on the taxic responses. All right, then from here you move to growth and the development. Under growth and the development, you look at the germination and the development. So germination and the development, for example, in plants, how does the seed germinate? What does it require? Which parts of the seed help whatever function in the germination process? Also, you need to look at vegetative propagation. How does it occur? So all these things, guys, you need to look at them. Then you need also to look at sexual reproduction in flowering, where also you look at also pollination. Then from here you also have to look at reproduction in animals. Under reproduction in animals, also you need to look at birth control. Of course, here you need to look at reproduction itself. How does it occur? The hormones which influence pregnancy, and then other things like growth of the child and birth. So all those processes, you need to study them. Then from there you need to look at genetics, guys. Under genetics, many questions have come, but I haven't seen a question appearing on a mutation. So you need to study also on a mutation, as also you study other parts of genetics. Then from here you go to classification, guys. So under classification, here you need to look at the classification of plants, how plants are classified in different categories. Study the different classes of plants which are there, and then you know how to classify, what features do they look for to classify plants in different categories. All right, then also you need to look at the soil. Under soil, you need to look at the soil composition and the fertility. So which soil composition causes soil to be fertile, and which soil composition causes the soil not to be fertile or not to be suitable for plant growth. So that is what you need to look at here. So here also under ecology, here you need to look at feeding relationships and also energy flow in the ecosystem. For example, here you look at food chain. I haven't seen in paper 2 a question on the food chain. Also here you need to look at the nitrogen cycle, and also you need to look at also I think also even in the carbon cycle, guys. Here haven't seen one, and also population, and also you need to look at the biodiversity. All right, guys, these are the topics that I prepared for you, and again, for your own information, we will be revising, guys. We'll be revising past papers for come next month, July. We are starting revision in biology, vigorous revisions. So those that are already under my classes, you just need to pay for the coming month, and those that need to join, you can join. The number is on the screen, so you see the number on the screen. WhatsApp me if you want to join online revision. These papers here, we have 2016, which is a general certificate, which is a GCE. We have also this one, 2016 internal. Then we have also 2017 GCE, then 2017 internal, 2018 GCE, then 2018 internal. So these ones will be revising them with 2019 GCE, and then 2019 internal, then also 2020 GCE, then also we have 2020 internal, then also we have 2020 21 GCE, then we have also 2021 internal. So these are the papers that we are going to revise coming in the coming month. So when you make a payment, guys, you'll be able to be added to this vigorous revision are going to take place, so that when you revise through these questions which are here and the ones that I've suggested that you should study on your own, guys, the probability of you passing is very, very high, passing again with the flying colors. All right, so guys, this is what I had for you. I hope this is going to help you. As for now, bye and see you. Please, peace.
I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got